Alright guys, this is Papa from StreetFighterTrainingSystem.com. So today I am back for a frequently asked question. Actually, I'm not going to do a Hadouken because this is reserved for TraderDean. So I will do a frequently asked question. So the question that I want to cover today is how basically we can get access to the depth of market or level 2 data that I've been showing you on some of the videos, right? So the idea is that I'm going to show you step by step what I use and what you could use to get started. Okay, so first to get access to the data from the Superdome. Okay, so the Superdome is basically a tool that is on NinjaTrader by default. So if you go on your NinjaTrader, normally all of you should get something like Superdome Dynamic. Okay, so the Superdome Dynamic will give you this thing over here, but you will not have data. Okay, if you have not activated something called the level 2. Okay, so the level 2 is what? Is the data that allows you to understand where are people placing limit orders or not, right? So to understand what is the cost of it, so you go inside, for those using NinjaTrader, you go inside NinjaTrader, and then inside NinjaTrader, you will have exchange fees. So normally, I guess that most of the people, they only activate the CME data, which is $4 per month. And if you want to have access to the level 2 data, you need to pay $15 per month, right? So it will be like $10 extra. Okay, so you first need to activate this. If not, you will have access to the Superdome, but you will not get any data out of it. Second thing is I don't use the Superdome Dynamic, right? But I use the static. So what is the difference between both, right? So the dynamic, the problem is that when the price is moving, the price over here is going to change dynamically. So it's going to change. So it's going to be very difficult for you to understand what's happening. So what you want to have, if you have the dome, is that you need to have the Superdome static. So how do you activate the static? Okay. So unfortunately, again, if you want to have the static dome, you again need to pay another fee. Okay, so for that, you need to enable or disable the Superdome on your NinjaTrader license. So you need to provide your license, and then the customer service will come to you and ask you if you want to activate it, right? And the reason is that to have the static Superdome, you need to pay. The Superdome is basically this technology is licensed by a company called TT, and that I will talk about later, which is providing basically this technology of dome and having the possibility to look at the limit orders and the volume. Okay, so this is basically how you're gonna do if you want to activate it. So you will have to pay two things. Number one, you will need to pay for extra $10. Okay, and number two, you will need to activate the static Superdome, and for every single trade that you will take, it will be $0.10. So if you trade live, of course, if you are only on sim trade, you don't need to activate this, it will be free. But you will need to pay like 0.10 cents to TT. Okay. Anyway, so this is said, this is how you will basically get the Superdome. Then if you get the Superdome, you will have normally the buy and the sell, but you will not get the volume, right? So to get the volume, you just need to right click on the indicators and then add basically the volume. So column, no, sorry, not indicators, but column. And on the column, you can add the volume, and here you will have this column, right? That will tell you at each price how many trades has been taken. So for example, here I can see, right, that 3,222.75 and 0.50 are some resistance zone because the price has been traded a lot on these zones. Okay. Now, this is if you want to get started, so you'll maybe pay like $15 per month additional. and it will help you to just take a look at the Superdome and at the level 2. Also, another thing, so when I talk about level 2, I'm not talking about, on NinjaTrader, you also have this level 2 sheet, right? So if you click on it, you will have something like this. So I'm not interested in this sheet, right? This is not readable, right? What you want is to have the Superdome to basically read the level 2, okay? So the level 2 is the data, and the tool that you will use is the depth of market, so called the dome, okay? And on NinjaTrader, it's called the Superdome, right? So with that said, as I say on my videos, I don't use the Superdome of NinjaTrader because I feel that it's really fucked up, right? I don't like the way it's missing some information, and I don't like the way it is presented. But for an initiation, it's good enough, right? It will allow you to see what's happening on the bid, on the ask, and look a little bit at the volume on each price, right? And start looking at it. But if you want to be serious about it, you have no other choice than to get into another tool. So there is two other tools on the market that I want to show you, but unfortunately, of course, they're paid. But if you want to be serious about trading the order book, this is what you will need to have. So the first tool is actually the creators of the Dome, which is called Trading Technologies, right? So those are the guys who first introduce the depth of market. So if you want, you can have a free trial. So create an account, you will have a free trial. So is what I did here. I have a free trial, and you will have access to the Dome. So you will see basically the depth of market. I feel the interface is much better. This is what most of the professionals are using to be able to check the order book and take their trades, right? So I think maybe 80% of the professional traders are using TT to be able to play with the order book. So if you want, you can have 30 days for free. And you see here I have the ES data that is connected. And I have the exact same data over here, right? So I think it's a good tool. It's a better tool than looking at this, and you don't need to activate any level 2, and you will have 30 days for free. Okay, so I'll post in the description the link of the website. Just create an account for free, and that's it. Okay. Now again, I think this is a good tool, but it's not good enough for me. What I use is called Jigsaw, right? So Jigsaw is basically, again, I will put the tool. Unfortunately, Jigsaw is like $600. The lifetime license is $600, right? So if you are just starting, you are of course not going to be putting $600 for nothing, right? So first start by looking at the Dome of NinjaTrader. It will cost you maybe $15 per month. And in any case, you need to activate the level 2 data, okay? So I don't know, train 1, 2, 3, 6 months on it. Then once you feel comfortable and you're really into getting into the professional side, then I think that if you really want to get serious, Jigsaw is the best tool. So the reason why I like Jigsaw is because it gives the volume and so on. It's customizable, but also what it gives something called the inside print. So the inside print is what? Is I can understand at each level how many market orders have been done, right? So this gives me like possibility to understand like absorption, aggressiveness on the trade, and so on. It helps me out, and I feel the interface is also much better on what you can do, right? So this is what I use when I live trade, and I use only this. So I don't have any chart, as you see. What I will do is that I will only look at this thing. So this thing is connected directly to my NinjaTrader. So to do this, I basically connected. So the advantage also of Jigsaw is that you don't need to purchase like a new data feed. You can utilize the data feed of your NinjaTrader. So for this, I do Market Analyzer. So is it Market Analyzer? Yeah, Market Analyzer. Then I will add my instrument, so the ES, and then on the ES I can add a column, right? And on the column, when you install a Jigsaw, it will propose you something on the indicator, right? And on the indicator, it's called GT connection. So it's the Jigsaw connection, and then it will automatically link Jigsaw to your platform. Okay, so whenever you launch Jigsaw, it will recognize that you have NinjaTrader and it will be synced. Okay, so those are the three solutions that you can have. This one is, I think, the one you can start. Maybe you can use this one because they give 30 days for free. So you don't need to activate even your Superdome static. And then if you really want to get serious about it, I think that Jigsaw is the best tool out there, right? Now, another tool to be able to have the inside print if you still don't want to use Jigsaw. So I also use something called order flow on NinjaTrader for me to be able to understand what I have over here, so the imbalance basically. So for this, I have indicator stuff, and I put like not indicator, sorry, I'm getting confused, data series. And then on data series, I will have the type volumetric, and this will allow me on each candle, so on the 1 minute, to understand how many market orders has been done at a specific candle, and how many so on the buy side and on the sell side. Okay, so as an example, how will you use this? Okay, is I will take a look. So for example, I have this candle. I can see that I have 59 market orders that has been done on the buy side, and 0 on the sell side. So this shows me that there is some strength, right? Because nobody is willing to sell at this level. So on the next candle, what I will check is I will check to have an entry at this point, right? To take like reversal trades. Okay, well, I'm not going to talk about the strategy that I use, but anyway, this was an introduction on how you can get started if you want basically to have access to the DOM data. You have three solutions, I repeat, either the Superdome of NinjaTrader, but you need to activate the static, not the dynamic, okay? Number two is that you can go on so Trading Technologies. You have 30 days for free, and then after, I think it's $50 per month. And then you have Jigsaw, so the lifetime license is $600, and then after you can connect this to your NinjaTrader. Again, I don't encourage you to first put $600. It's a lot of money, right? I'm here to give you like solutions that you can use. As you saw, all my videos are free, so I will advise you to go for free solutions. Don't buy any indicator on the market. The only thing that you need is your NinjaTrader basic indicators, and I think that level 2, in my opinion, is a must-have if you want to have a good level. So yeah, think about it. If you don't want to put it, it's up to you. I'm not going to force you to do anything. All right, so this was Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com, and I hope that this frequently asked question helped you out.